Hey everyone, welcome to Codexical, your one-step destination towards everything AI, software engineering, and new tech ideas that are exploring today's world, which will improve your career as an ML engineer, AI engineer, or a software developer. In this channel, I am starting now a new Python course. In this course, you will learn about Python basic to advanced skills. Don't miss this chance. It's the golden opportunity for you to learn from me. I will teach you every step-by-step methods. I will explain everything about Python, and its practical work is also included in the series. You can gain maximum experience from building multiple projects including AI applications. You will enjoy that series. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and start join now to follow our journey towards the Python master in next week. See you on the Python series.